উপরে উঠা
at least us to discuss many things, I believe, with Amit Shah and President and even newly elected Chief Minister
মাইকটা
What
সবার
are we
তো
expecting? Are we
মাইকটা
expecting
চলবে
some interesting developing happening in
মাইকটা
Tripura
চলবে
right after
আরে
the BJP
এটা কোন নাম না রে ভাই
has and Manik Shah declared as
কোনটা কোন নাম রে ভাই
I said to everyone
সীতারাম মাইকটা উঠা
that I will go to the palace and from there I will speak to the media properly from the palace. If you all want to listen to me what I have to say, then kindly come to the palace and we will have a proper briefing where I will tell you and I'll give you my statement.
what time?
I think if you all can decide what time, then it will be better because I am available. Then you please come in 1 hour's time.
It's 4:40.
And my only humble suggestion to all of you all, because you all are national media, is kindly do not get very excited. We are here to serve the community and we are here to represent the Tiprasa community and the people of Tripura, and we will, whatever we have to say will be for the upliftment of the community, and we are here not to ask for anything for ourselves but for a constitution solution.